How to hide your profile on Facebook. First, you want to make sure your application is in the newest update in your App Store if you're on iOS or Play Store if you're on Android. And first, you want to go to your menu, then tap on the gear icon on your top to go to the settings, and you want to scroll down until this audience and visibility and tap on profile locking and lock your profile and OK. If you turn this on, it will make all of your content in your profile to be seen by your Facebook friends only and not everyone. And you want to go back to the settings and choose how people find and contact you. Like here, first on who can send your friend requests, you want to tap on friend of friends, tap save. On who can see your friend list, you want to tap only me, tap save. On people with your email address, tap no one. On people with your phone number, tap no one. And on do you want search engine outside Facebook to link your profile, you want to make sure to turn this off so that no one will find you with your email address or your phone number. And you want to go back and go to profile and tagging. Right here, we want to make sure to limit our profile to everyone, and when someone tagging us in the photo or some post, it will not shown in our profile. First, you want to go to who can post on your profile, tap only me, click save. Then on who can see what other posts on your profile, you want to tap only me, click save. And allow others to share your post to their stories, you want to turn this off. And on who can see posts your take in your profile, you want to tap only me, click save. On when you are tagged in a post, you want to choose only me and click save. And that's it. It is the best we can do when we try to limit our profile to everyone on Facebook. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.